Thank you for purchasing the Burford Commode. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Burford Commode should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once open, lift out and set aside all the various components. You are now ready to begin assembling your item. Packaged with your commode is a set of printed instructions. Please keep hold of them as they contain useful information regarding the assembly and maintenance of your product. Remove any excess wrapping on your commode and take care to avoid scratching the metal frame if you're using a pair of scissors. Next, slide the backrest into the seat frame, using the push pins to make sure the two components are secure. Tilt the seat frame on its side to attach the legs. Using the holes on the side for reference, find your desired seat height, then slide the leg onto the frame. Again, use the push pin to secure the two components together. Repeat this process on all four legs, making sure that all legs are of equal height. With all the legs in place, tilt the commode upright. You can prevent the commode rolling around by locking the brakes on the caster wheels. Next, clip the seat to the frame and then add the lid. The pan with its convenient handle can be gently dropped into place and will rest securely on the frame. The padded armrests are adjustable and will lock into place when fully raised. Push the button on the side to unlock and lower the armrests. Your Burford Commode is now fully assembled. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the Burford Commode or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.